Good morning, traders. This is Dennis Wilborn from the Active Trend Traders with your tech tip for May 20th, 2014. Real quick, just remind everybody that what we present here is for training purposes only and educational purposes. Traders should always paper trade any type of new method or anytime they add anything to their system prior to risking personal capital. I want to hit really quickly on a couple of things today. One is the power of swing highs and swing lows. If swing highs and swing lows, look for them on your charts because they define the patterns on your charts. Only trade stocks or ETFs with clear patterns. Pay attention to the swing highs and swing lows because, one, they define the trend. Two, they may provide an early indication of trend changes. They define targets, both profit targets and also areas to place your stop losses. The last thing is pay attention to which of the moving averages the swing highs and swing lows tend to respect. Let's take a real quick look at Tesla. As we see here on Tesla, a couple of weeks ago, Tesla reported earnings. And after reporting earnings, Tesla fell dramatically. Where did it fall to? To the 200-day moving average. Puts in this inverted hammer, and now it's started moving its way back up. Have been really kind of surprised. I like Tesla long term. However, we may have some more downside to Tesla. But the thing I want to point out to everybody is look at these. After it topped back here in last part of February, early part of March this year, it starts coming down. It starts putting these swing lows. And then the first indication that we were going is when it swung back up, put in this lower swing low, or correction, lower swing high. You know, that old adage of the definition of a trend, higher highs, higher lows, uptrend, lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. And it turns back over and starts falling again. Where does it fall to? The 50, puts in a swing low, moves back up to the 20, reverses and falls again. Minor swing low here, of equal distance here. Didn't have much momentum behind it, and then it's fallen down again. We get another swing low right here on the 100-day moving average. It starts moving up with what appears to be a little bit of momentum. However, look at the volume's kind of down, so it's a low volume wedge up. We hit the 50, it rolls back over. Here's what became interesting, and now this may have just been a prep going into earnings. It again bounces off the 100, constituting a higher swing low. So it may have given us an indication that perhaps Tesla is going back into an uptrend. However, we get back up to the 50 and this downtrending resistance line. And just before earnings, it rolls over. I don't know if that was foretelling what was going to happen on earnings, but drops out of the sky. Right now, the reason I wanted to talk about Tesla is today, this candle is not yet complete. It's only about 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. However, it is respecting both the 20-day and the 100-day, which is acting as a strong level of resistance. The question being is, will this form a new swing high, which will be a lower swing high, and we'll get a push back down to the downside with a continued sell-off, which perhaps back down to the 200-day moving average. In this case, it's a little bit over 200 points. So I just want to bring that concept to you, is pay attention to the swing highs and swing lows. Look for charts that have these great patterns. You'll know them when you see the chart. You'll look at some charts and go, I don't see anything. This is a chart with great patterns, and it does a really fine job of respecting its moving averages. So that's it for the tech tip today. I want to encourage everybody to, one, be patient. Opportunity will come. The market has been kind of in the doldrums, I think it's called, when you're out there sailing and there's no wind. So we've been suffering with the doldrums, a little bit up, a little bit down, but we're going between resistance and support. I want to remind everybody, please become an active trend trader. You can either subscribe to our free newsletter, or we also do a subscription service which includes weekly and daily updates about particular trades we're doing. And this Wednesday evening we have a weekly webinar, and we're making a special offer rate for this particular webinar. It's being done by a special guest who has done huge research about market cycles. I've reviewed these slides. It will change the way you do your analysis going forward. So if you would like to know how to hook in for the special rate for this webinar, contact me at dww@activetrendtrading.com. The special rate will also include the subscription to the Active Trend Trader for the remainder of the month of May, just so you can try it out for a special rate. So with that, I bid you adieu. Trade wisely, trade profitably. This is Dennis Wilborn from the Active Trend.